Hi, I'm Hawk from Cheyenne US Repair, and today we're going to talk about cables. So first let's start with the standard power cable that comes with your Cheyenne tattoo machine. We have two variations here. One is a 90-degree angle, and that is going to be for your pen style machine. And having that 90-degree angle on the pen is going to relieve the fatigue on the cable from bending while you're working. If you're working with an angled type machine like this guy, the angled Sol Terra this one is, or if you were working with a Thunder or Spirit or any of those guys, you're going to want this straight cable, and that is much more ergonomic while you're working. It's not going to get in the way of your hand and bump around like that 90-degree angle would on the angled machine. If you're using a non-Cheyenne power supply, you're going to most likely need this little mini adapter cable that comes with your tattoo machine, and this will step down the Cheyenne mini jack to a 2.5 or a 6 millimeter Phono Jack for other applications. We're going to take a look now at the Cheyenne startup cable. And firstly, I will say, if you're using a Cheyenne power supply, you don't need it, okay? So the Cheyenne power supply has a built-in feature, and that is when you start it, it gives an initial increase in voltage, and then that will kick the motor going, and then it's going to drop down to the voltage that you have it set at. Some other power supplies do not have this feature, so you will have a hard time starting your machine, and in that case you will want to get yourself one of these guys. Next we have the RCA to mini jack, and this guy is great if you want to use a clip cord that has a RCA connection and you want to connect it to the mini jack in your Cheyenne power supply. Next we have the mini jack to the 2.5 Phono Jack, also for clip cord connecting. If you have a clip cord that has the 6 millimeter or the 2.5 Phono Jack, you can jack right into your Cheyenne power supply with this guy. This one right here is one that I really like, that a lot of people have asked about, and it's cool because it is an RCA to Phono Jack, so you can plug in to your Cheyenne power supply a foot switch of another brand that is the 2.5 Phono Jack, just like that. And finally we have these two guys right here, which are lesser seen, but some people are still using them, the banana plug. And so we have banana plug male to female mini jack, and we have banana plug female to male mini jack. And you could just, you know, take these and you could just have a good old time, plug them in and I don't know, get crazy. There you go. Thanks for watching my video on cables and adapters. Check out the other videos in this 8-part series, Cheyenne Service and Repair. Thanks a lot. See you next time.